Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this super delicious spring raw tart. It can also be called fruit pizza because of the shape. It's really simple to make and so delicious. So we are starting with grinding our nuts. I've used hazelnuts, but you can also use almonds, cashews, or any kind of nuts that you like. And then after you grind it to fine powder, then you're gonna add your dates. If your dates are too stiff or too dry, you want to soak them in hot water for 15 minutes before adding them to the hazelnuts, and then mix everything together for a few moments. Then you're gonna add coconut oil and mix until fully combined. It will come together like a ball, and when you press it down with fingers, it stay together, stuck together. And then you want to prepare your pan. Use this round for cakes. I always put parchment paper on the bottom, and on the sides I will brush some coconut oil, and also on the bottom. And then transfer this base mixture and tap it down evenly and firmly, so you don't want any holes, cracks or something like that. So don't be gentle, press. You can use your fingers, but it's better to use a spoon like this because it will really help to spread it evenly without any finger leftovers. And then you want to make this wall, this fence, so the cream doesn't go over the bottom. And then it's time for our cream. So in a bowl you're gonna add this thick part of coconut milk in, a little bit of vanilla, and mix just for a few moments. And then add one big soy yogurt. If you can, please put Greek style. I didn't have one, but I will definitely put a Greek style yogurt inside because it has this thicker texture, and it will be better for this recipe. And then you're gonna add coconut oil, maple syrup, and orange juice. Mix for a few moments until fully combined without any lumps. And then transfer it onto the prepared bottom, smooth it evenly with the spatula, and put in the freezer for minimum 1 or 2 hours. I was impatient, so my tart was just for, I don't know, half an hour, so it was not enough, but it was still really delicious. But don't be me, be patient. And then you want to decorate it with and add a flavor, of course, with fresh fruit. I've used strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi, but you can always use anything that you like, so made it for yourself and your preferences. Then you can just sprinkle like this, or make some pattern. You can play with it as you like. I like this messy vibe on this tart, definitely. And then sprinkle with some dry flour. If you don't have dry flour, don't use it, but it really adds some nice visual effect to this tart. That's it. It's really simple, super delicious, and you really need to try this. Look how impatient was. It's still so soft, but if for a few hours in the fridge it will firm up. It'll be really delicious. It was delicious like this, but you know what I mean. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.